Alright guys, so since kakatapos lang natin ang ating tour here in Siquijor, kaka-check-in lang natin dito sa San Juan Hostel. And I'm gonna do a quick room tour before we go to the beach, and we'll see kung ano ba yung makita sa beach ng San Juan Siquijor. So, tara, let's do a quick room tour. Okay, here's our room. Room number 5. Wow, here's our room. Our very simple but cozy bed, and it's made of wood. And we have a good backdrop here. Itong mga stante dito. We have outlets. Yeah, we have 2 outlets to both sides. We have a table. And of course, we have the aircon, the most important one because ang init dito sa Siquijor. And then, of course, our simple na, where's the lights? Here. Simple toilet and bath. So we have also heater. So that's it. So that's it for the quick room tour. And ngayon pupunta na tayo sa beach. Siguro pahinga muna tayo mga 10 minutes sa beach. And then we'll see kung ano yung makita natin sa beach ng San Juan Siquijor. Alright, see you guys. Alright guys, we're going out now. And then ako lang mag-isang lalabas para tingnan ko ano yung makita sa Siquijor Town Beach. Bye. May sumaiwan sila na papahinga lang siya. And tayo ay mag-ikot-ikot. Tanong natin saan yung access road going to the beach so that we can walk alongside the shore. Let's go down. At before pala doon, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung itong hostel. Hello. So this is our hostel. So pasok tayo. So wala sa harap. So ayan ang aming hostel, San Juan. And then pagpasok mo, may duyan dito and may mga rooms na dyan. Pwede mag-ihaw. And then you have this concierge or information there. Ayan, may pamapa sila ng Siquijor. Kuya, saan po yung access going to the beach?
And pass to the, in between ng yellow house.
Alright.
The coconut.
This,
pero dito na lang malapit.
This one?
Sa gitna ha, wag dyan sa between ng white and yellow.
Doon sa kabila?
Sa gitna ng yellow, dalawang yellow.
Okay, thank you. Alright, doon daw may access road sila dito. Going to the beach. So, tawid tayo. Let's go. Okay, wag daw dyan. Dito daw. Ooh. It's low tide. But it's white beach, guys. Ganda. Kita nyo ba? White beach siya. And these are the establishments. Oh. Punta muna tayo doon. So may mga aso. Oh, may mga pasiso. Tignan nyo, oh, white beach siya, oh. Low tide lang kaya hindi makaswimming. Pero tomorrow morning we'll try to swim bago tayo umalis kasi we're planning to depart at around 10 AM. So sasakay kami sa Montenegro. Hindi kami sasakay sa fast crab kasi yung fast crab is 6 AM. That's too early for us. So gagawin na lang namin Montenegro. Montenegro is yung Roro siya. So the travel time is around 2 hours. And 10 AM yung alis. So okay na lang din yon kasi at least makaka-rest kami sa biyahe going to Dumaguete. Alright, so ayan, look at that. Ayan, lapitan natin yung mga ginagawa dito ng mga local ata ito. Ang daming aso. What can we see here? May dala pa akong mask, guys. May nagdala ako nila. Baka daw kasi masita ako. No, wala namang tao dito. Wala may ibang tao kundi ako lang. Here yata pwede mag-swimming, oh. Oh, hi doggies. Maraming aso. Yung mga yan, yung mga seagrass yan eh. Yung mga color green yan. Like this, oh. Lapitan natin sila. Ano yan, kuya?
Bilang.
Ha?
Bilang.
Nagbilang?
Wala na.
Ano yung kinakain yan? Oh,
Nakain yan.
anong luto niyan? Paano luto?
Ilaw ra.
Kilaw? Kilawin?
Sulit pirtuho. Mag-aamay pino pa.
Diyan siya nakukuha.
Mag-aamay ko siya.
Ay, ang galing. Anong lasa niya? Parang pusit, gano'n.
Riha, matamay.
Matamis? Oh. Yun pala, yun yan, no? Lumang loob niya, oh. Lakad tayo dito. Sa beach. I think dito pwede mag-swimming na, guys, oh. Tingnan natin kung nakapag-swimming attire naman na tayo. But, yun nyo guys, oh, white sand siya. Ang galing ko yung chinelas ko. Nice. Pampisaw lang tayo. Hindi naman tayo mag-swimming talaga. And I don't think merong sunset kasi medyo cloudy, oh. Hindi tayo makakakita ng sunset. Ayan pala guys, ayan pala ang Dumaguete. Or ang Negros. Ito ang Apo Island, if I'm not mistaken. That one, that small island. Oh, medyo malalim na. Hanggang tuhod ko na siya. So ito guys yung view ng beach dito sa San Juan kapag hapon na. But during morning daw, mataas na yung tubig dito. Umaabot daw siya dyan. So pwede kayo mag-swimming. So actually, pwede naman kayo mag-swimming. As you saw earlier, punta lang kayo doon sa malayong part para makapag-swimming kayo. Ngayon, let's just walk further north ba to? Or south ng island just to check out what we can see. Because right now, what we can see is some resorts. Ayan, establishment resort na mga beachfront property. Ours is not beachfront, it's a roadside, but they have an access to the beach. Tawid lang naman, you just have to cross the street to go to the beach, and then you can enjoy na the water of Siquijor. So ito mga ginagawa pa. This one, ito pwede ng tirahan. Ayan. So maganda siya, no? Kasi white sand siya. It's just that marami lang mga seagrass. Kaya mukha siyang madumi, pero hindi siya madumi. Mga ano yan eh, mga damo ng dagat, kaya ganyan yung kulay. So let's just walk further and let's see what else we can see here in San Juan Siquijor. There's a lot of sea urchins. I almost stepped on those. They're pandami pa. But you know, that's sea urchins, right? Smaller one though, but still sea urchins. Let's allow them to grow further, and let's not step into them. Okay. So gonna walk straight ahead. Still, yeah. Sea urchins. sea urchins. There we go. Alright. Come on. I'm now in the roadside, guys, and I see this beautiful house. This cute old, I'm not sure kung may nakatira dyan, but we'll just walk. We'll just walk along the street and we'll see what we can see around Siquijor. Hi guys, so I'm just here chilling around in one of the resort here in San Juan, beachfront resort of course, and I'm just waiting for the sunset with my beer, with my San Miguel Pale Pilsen, not sponsored, and we're just chilling here. Actually, I'm waiting for Lana because we're gonna eat dinner here or somewhere else. That would depend on her mood, but their menu here is pretty good, pretty affordable, and I think they have a good selection. So let's just wait and let's just enjoy this view, this sunset. Here we go. Let's wait for this one, and then we'll wait for Lana, and then we'll decide where to eat. Alright, so this is live. So this is our last night in Siquijor. Actually, our last day and last night in Siquijor, because we're just spending one night here, 2 days, because tomorrow morning we're gonna go back to Dumaguete for our last day, and on Wednesday we're gonna go back to Manila. Right, so I'll update you later where we're gonna eat our dinner. Alright, bye guys.